How to get YouTube Premium 3-month free trial. To get a 3-month free trial of YouTube Premium, first of all you have to go through the official website of YouTube Premium and check if the 3-month trial offer is displayed. You might also see the offer in the YouTube application. Make sure you are signed into the Google account and you want to use for the trial. Open the YouTube Premium official page in a browser. Look for the 3-month free trial banner or button and click try it for free. If you don't see it, then there is another way to do so. As you can see, there is 3 free trial available for student, family and individual. You can try this one by one for each month and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily get YouTube Premium for a 3-month free trial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.